Hey guys, this is Kemi's Choice, and this is not Kemi speaking, this is her little brother, and we're doing a little get ready with me video, which is going to include a makeup session and preparation, and also a red Gele tutorial at the end. So let's get started. So first we're going to add toner, and we're using a collagen toner, and as you can see here, she's applying it to just on top of the eyebrows. She's using a essence for her brows and just giving a bit more definition to the brows and just taking it a little bit further than the natural end of her brows just to give it that slightly more defined look. And now she's using a concealer which she will use just to outline underneath the eyebrow that she has there. And she'll also do that on the top of the eyebrow. So now you can use a little brush on the top just to make sure you get that extra bit of precision. And now she's using more concealer in a more generous amount around the eyes using a blush set by Shop Miss. And a nice little trick is to put a bit of sellotape diagonally across is to put sellotape across your eyes diagonally, and this will help you to guard against any spillover, to make sure the makeup is not to make sure the makeup is not spilling over, and it will help you to make sure that you get the your makeup perfect and just the right amount. So now she's using a concealer called LA Girl Pro, and this will be applied on top of the eyelids, and it's a bright colour. And now she's using a palette, a slightly different colour, just to add that extra shine to it. So now we have here a liner where she's using an Essence 2-in-1 pen to just go across the eyebrows to give it that extra definition. And now we can see how the sellotape comes in extra handy, as it's taking away all that extra run over from the liner. And she's also using a Boots liquid eyeliner here just to get that extra shape and definition to the eyelashes. So now she's taking off the tape, and you can see the amazing work that it's done here. It's making sure there was no run over, and that the preliminaries that you did on your eyes have come out perfectly. So now she's using a CoverGirl matte foundation, and you can just apply it generously to the face, as the name is, it's a foundation, so this will be a great place to start once you have your colour. And so she's just applying it generously across the face. Obviously you don't want to put too much, but just this is a good place to start. And she's applying it across the forehead as well. Just make sure, regardless of how much you put, it's a even amount that you put across your face. And now she's adding concealer, which is LA Girl Pro, and she's applying it underneath her eyes, on her chin, and just on the forehead. And these are the places that will conceal highlights. These will be the highlights of the face. So as you can see, this is creating sort of a light effect where light will be hitting certain parts of the face, and that will look a little bit brighter than other parts of the face, but in an even sort of manner. And she's just using a little purple sponge here just to make sure it's spread out evenly. And now for the contour, she's using a Sleek Contour Highlight Duo and using a small brush to apply that across the nose and also across the forehead there, just cleaning it up. So now we're adding that extra touch with the Rimmel Maxi Blush, and you don't want to go overboard here. Just a little touch of blush will help do the trick. And now she's applying some highlighter just to accentuate that blush. So now we're moving on to the lips, and this is a lax. And she's starting off with a dark colour, but now we'll see her layer that with an Adonia red lipstick. So the layering will really help the colour to pop. As you can see, she's doing this very carefully and making sure she gets the entirety of the lip, and it comes out with a really nice colour that you wouldn't get with just one colour or the other. So now, to make sure all of that makeup is set in place and won't come off as easily, she's using a setting spray and just perfecting the lips. There's obviously something funny going on there. Taking a few selfies. And now we're moving on to the Gele stage. Obviously, once we have the makeup done, we might want to put some clothes. Now she's just starting off with tying the Gele around. That's the first wrap around, and as you see, it's quite a complicated job, but at the end of the day, it will all be worth it once you see the final result. And here we just have her doing some folds into the Gele, and this is the layering technique that you get. And obviously, as you see, as it comes down, it has that sort of ripple wave effect. There's obviously a lot of frustration that comes with doing a Gele, and it takes a lot of practice, so don't give up. Keep trying and you'll get it.
Just get a mirror.
Or get a mirror. So this is the final result. This was a lovely get ready with me, and we can obviously see this is a wonderful result, and we hope you've enjoyed this video, and
thank you for watching. Make sure you like the video and subscribe and leave a comment below, and we'll talk to you again in our next one. Thank you, Toby.
You're welcome.
Bye.